Greetings everyone and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be taking a look at setting up a leave type. Once we have opened the software, we navigate to the menu bar and then click on Leave, followed by Type. To have access, ensure that the Leave module is activated. If it is not activated, please contact support for assistance. We then click on the Add button and proceed to insert the description as well as the short description for the leave type. Next, we will take a look at the entitlement section. Here we will first look at the accrual option. For fixed types of leave like paternity leave, the checkbox is left empty and we input the maximum number of days to be allocated. If the leave type is to be accumulated, such as annual leave, we check the accrual checkbox. For an accrued leave type, we choose from the drop-down list. Here we have three options. Full cycle allocation, start of cycle. This will give the full amount of days as the cycle begins. Then we have monthly allocation, start of the month. This will allocate a percentage of the leave at the start of each month. Then we have monthly allocation, end of month. This will allocate a percentage of the leave at the end of each month. In today's example, we will be using this option. Then we move to the cycle section. First, we have the year duration, used to determine what period of time constitutes a full cycle. Next, should a negative balance be permitted, the number of negative days can be specified here with the days of negative balance allowed option, followed by extended availability, where we determine whether the leave can be carried over to future cycles or lost if not taken, by using the months of extended availability after cycle end date option. Then we have the cycle start section, where we can set whether the leave cycle starts with the employee hire date at the beginning of the calendar year or at a specified fixed date. Next, if a document is required for the employee each time the leave type is booked, then we check the document required when booking this leave type option. After that, we have the Use in Employees Leave Balances option. This is used to display the leave balance of the leave type on the employee window under the Leave tab. Then, if the selected leave type should appear in the Annual Overview window, we then tick the checkbox for the Use in Annual Overview option. And optionally, we can set the fore and back color that should display within the Annual Overview. Finally, we have the Link Adjustment option that is used to link the appropriate adjustment from the drop-down list to the leave type that we have now created. This is done so that we can capture leave daily from the Daily Details window. If that is not desired, we can leave the drop-down on Not Linked. Next, we will head to the Allocation tab. Here we will configure the time categories and counters allocated when this leave type is captured. For that, we will click on the Add button under the time categories and select the time category that we would like it to apply. Should the leave type be a paid leave, we then add a second time category and we allocate normal time to be allocated. Should it be an unpaid leave, we will not add the normal time category. After that, we will then work with counters, again clicking on the Add button and selecting from the drop down what counter we would like to apply. After configuring the settings, we can then click on the Save button, close the window and continue working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for this video. For related content, check the description below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.